Good afternoon, all. Am I audible? Suraj, Akanksha, Pallavi, Suraj. I hope you are also able to hear me. Yes, guys. So let's talk about it. In the last session, I hope you remember we have start with the angular models, correct? And in that, I'll taught you what is the angular model. So anyone can tell me what is angular model? Yes, guys. Can anyone of you tell me what is angular model? Give the answer in chat fast. What is angular model? Is Rohan Akanksha? It is a collection of the directive pipes services which work together to build the web applications. Absolutely correct. I hope everyone remember about the same. Okay. Uh, but exactly if I'm this is about a verbal definition. But in a practical point of view, if I called, how we can called as anything is a model in practical. Practically, how we can call as anyone is a model. Yeah, how we make it model in Angular. Models are created by using what? In Angular, models are created by using a that is a command that I understand. But when you fire the command, what happened? One file will be created now. But within that file, what happened? क्या होता है फाइल के अंदर? So can I say that module is nothing but a class, TypeScript class, which declare with the @ng model decorator? Yes, guys. Can we say that? See, it's a plain class only, correct? But when this is a plain TypeScript class, but to make the class is module class, which decorator we have to use it? Which decorator we have to use on it? @ng model. How many arrays we can declare in ng model decorator? On ng model decorator, how many arrays we declare? What are the 5 types? कौन कौन से 5 types है वहां पे? Which 5 types array are there? First one, declaration. Second one, imports. Third one, providers. Fourth one, export. Okay. Fifth one, bootstrap. Absolutely correct. So there are how many arrays are there, guys? 5 array are there. Declaration. Current component of the model are declared by declaration array. When we want to import another model, which array we use? Which array of out of the 5 we use to import the another model? Import. To give the access of our component to the another model. हमारे component का access किसी और को देना है. So which array we have to use? I mean to give the access to outside a model. No declaration. To give the access of current model component to the another model. We are not importing the access. We are exporting it. So which array we have to use over there? Export array. Which array, guys? Export. Have you all understand? Providers are used to declare the providers array are used to declare the services of the current module. And last but not the least, bootstrap array is used to declare the which component of the current module? Child component or root component? Absolutely correct. The root component of the application. Command you already taught me which command we utilize it there. Why should I need the models, guys? What is the benefit? Basic benefit of the model is what? सबसे बेस यूज क्या है मॉडल का? क्या बेनिफिट मिल रहा? Reusability. Can I say that the group programming also we can achieve by the models? Set of common things we can make a groups, na? Yes, yes, guys. Along with reusability, can we make a groups of the small groups of the big application? If we have a large application, so we can make a small group of that, and that group, each group will be created by models, correct? How many types of models are there in Angular? Yes, guys, in Angular, how many types of models are there? I think we discussed that also in the last session. So give me the answer. How many types of models we have discussed in the last session? Total 3 are there, but we have discussed 2 on out of that, correct? So what are the 2? Built-in and custom. That is another one. Built-in custom, that is one type, but any apart from the built-in and except, there are some other types of models also, na? Which we discussed in the last at the end of session. Types of model. How many more types of models are there? 3. What are the 3 models? Root model, feature model, and the last one which I taught in which we discussed in today's session. Have you all clear about all the things about this? Child was not there. Child is not called as that. It is called as a feature models. It is called for routing its child, but as a point of view model, it's not called a child one. Features. So root model and feature models. Have you all understand? So guys, initially I started with how many models? Initially I created my project with how many models? Only one root model, correct? Yes or no? But after that, we can divide it our project into how many models? 4, including root. Excluding root, how many? 3. So out of that, we created only one, na? Yes or no? Everyone done with the user model configuration in current project? User model configuration is done, guys. Okay, share your screen. Let me check. Okay, Akansha is done. What about others? Those who are doing practically, let me know. How many are doing practically today's session? रोहन, वो रिटर्न जो है ना वो इफ के बाहर लिखो, रिटर्न नल है ना वो इफ के बाहर लिखो. एज इज नॉट परफेक्ट. Yes, guys, give me the answer in chat fast. How many of doing practically today? Kaushik, what about you? Akanksha, I hope you are doing it. Uh, Aditya is. Dhanashri, you also, na? No. So, okay. Brijesh, Prajakta, you too. आप भी नहीं करोगे ना? Okay. ठीक है, guys. So I think those are doing practically today. They are done with the user model. Okay, you also not doing today. Okay, you did also main also. Great. Okay, main is done. Great. What about product? Product done? Okay, okay, okay. ठीक है. Okay, fine, 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 fine. Great. So I'll do it. I'll also do it. The same. What we can do? Don't do the main one, product one. I'll taught you the product one in different way because we have the different variations also to do that, na. So I will taught the product in different way. So don't do the product one. So first of all, ng what g c sorry m main, correct. In the same way we are creating the main module. The next step is what, guys? We should copy paste the component and routes of the main of the component. Those are related to the main. Can you tell me which components are related to the main? Yes, home, about us, and contact us. So first of all, we have to move them. So I move the main home. So all are imported there. First step is done. Now the second step is what? Copy pasting. So which component should I select from it? Again, the same component I have to select. So I'll copy paste the routes first. Quick fix, import all की जरूरत नहीं थी. I remove the home blank one. fix, import all. This is done. Now I'll carry the component from it. From here, I'll remove the home path and contact us path as well. From the list, home, about us, contact us, all three components are removed. Save and paste it in declaration array. Quick fix. Import. So from here we have to remove them. I think so. We are done with all it. But still it is working, guys. It will be worked or not. Is it working? Give the answer in chat fast. It is working or not? No. Why? Why it is not work? Because we have to import the main model, correct, into the app model. First thing. And we have to configure the routes also, correct? For child routes. Save. Now let's check out. Is it working now? So is it working now? So guys, now my project is divided into how many models? Yes, others give me the answer in chat fast. Excluding root 1, correct? Excluding the root model, correct or wrong? Now guys, let's see. Now what we did here, can you see? We are declaring the component and we are creating the routes for the component in the same file or different file. Component declaration and the route creation are in the same file or different file. Give me the answer. Yes, Rohan, Suraj, Akanksha, Kaushik, Brijesh. Guys, give me the answer in chat fast. I'll ask that the routes of the components and the component declarations. Route declaration of component and component declaration are in same file or different file. Yes, others, same. So guys, now we are creating at least three component. But when we talk about the product having how many components are there? Details, list, directories also are there, pipes also there, services are sorry, uh, product form is also there, star is there. So many are there, na? So that time, if I having a 50 components in one model, so to declaring 50 components, 50 lines are there. To creating the routes of 50 components, having 50 routes are there. Correct? But total 100 lines are there in one file. Correct or no? Still, your file is become more lengthy. Am I correct? Still, your file is become more lengthy. Yes or no? So in the situation that if I make a separate file for the routes and separate file for the, we are creating separate file for the routes and separate file for the component declaration. That would be more better for us for the large applications. That would be the plus point for us, na? So now we will create, now I'll taught you, create a model with a separate routing model. Command, create a model, separate routing model. Separate routing model. NGGM model name. Now guys, by the command model is created, correct? By this command model is getting created. But how many number of files are created there? Kitne number of files are getting created there? देखो, देखा यहाँ पे? Only the one file is getting created. But when we use a command like this, hyphen, double hyphen. When we use this command, NGGM model name routing double hyphen, double hyphen, this command is create a separate routing model. Now can you tell me, when we create a main model, this array is auto generated or this array is auto generated or manually created? This array is auto generated or manually created? Manually. This router model imported manually or automatically? This also did manually, na? Now let's see what happened when we do the same thing. Close it first. NGGM product. Can you tell me the name of model is what now? Product. Now can you tell me how many files are getting created? Just see and let me know. Guys, can you tell me how many number of files are created by the command? 2. One product model, another one is product routing model, correct? So what is the benefit of it? The benefit of the command is what? Let's see. Here, product. Can you see that array is auto generated over here? And even it is imported as for child is also there. So the efforts are getting reduced because of the command. So now I'll just copy paste the routes of it. So I think second, fourth, these are 4 routes of this one, correct? These 4 routes are related to the products only, yes or no? So I'll cut from it and paste it in this array. Before copy pasting, now what I will do, I'll move the components. Huh? So which component should I move, guys, in product? Detail, correct? List. I'll move the directories because directories are used in a list and product related only. Pipes, star, correct? These are the five things we have to include in product model. Why? Because all these 5 things are related to the product. Yes or no? And even form also, sorry. These are the 6 things are related to the product, correct? Yes or no? Yes, guys, give me the answer. These are the 6 things are related to the products. So we should put them together. So I'll drag them. So I'll just select it all and now drag it into product. Move. Yes. Now, now I'll copy paste the things. Cut paste this thing from here. Paste out here. Fix. Yes. For app model only, not for custom models. Okay. Only for app model it will be do that, not for other models. Am I clear? And in the another file in product model, I'll put this one in declaration area. Fix import all. Okay, let's see. Errors maybe are there, so we remove them from here. Now, remove it. Import करना पड़ेगा. We have to do the imports are here if there is an error. Because when we move the file from here to there, na, so this thing has happened. That's why. So now all the errors are resolved. So just same thing we did like main and user, but the thing is over here what? Thing is over here what? Here we are making more separation of components we are declared separately, and the routes which we declare in uh, top of the declaration, which we are making separate file out it for that. Or that this product routing model we are importing product model. Can you see here? The routing model is imported in product model. So if you want to make a separate routing model and product model, a separate routing model for the any model, we can make it separate and import in that. So it is just for the separation of the code in multiple files as per the nature of the code. So it's purely work with the it purely work as a model, and it is purely work as a routing model only. But main are combination of both main and users. Have you all understand, guys? Give me the answer in chat first. Now still it is not working. Let's see, is it working or not? Is it working? Add product, products are not working. Login is working, register is working. Add product and products are not working. Why so far? Because we make a separate model, but are you import that model in a product in app? So we have to do that, correct? Now here we got the error. Why? Because it's saying that product services is not founding. In which one? Import issue is there in details component. So let's see, I'll open the details component first. Import contain errors. Products add is not working. Take second. And the form is not found. Okay. So there are some mistakes. What happened? That your product, some product components are depend on the routing are depend on which component? Router model. It's depend on the reactive model. So we need a reactive model. We have to import a reactive model form model over here. Comma form model also. Because of that, it's not working. Now it's perfectly working properly now. Hmm. Appreciated all. It's all features are working properly. Have you all got it, guys? Because are some components are depend on the form, na? That means your product is depend on the reactive model. Your lease component is depend on lease component. Detail components are depend on the form models. So because of this, this thing is happen over here. Have you all understand, guys? Okay. So guys, can you try this one? Just try it. Those who are doing practical and let me know once done. Rohan, can you see in screen? List, highlight directory, मतलब direct my directory folders, star details product form. So all that folders. Discount pipe is present in my pipes, and the highlight directory is present in my directory. So वो दो folder extra है, apart from the other component folder.
Sir, it's double dash, no? NGGM product,
जी जी, double hyphen routing.
double hyphen. Okay.
Okay. Yes, Akanksha done. Rohan, doing. Okay, doing. Others are not doing. Am I correct? So I hope you guys are doing after the session. But Kaushik, Brijesh, Suraj, Prajakta, Pallavi, Dhanashri. Okay. Deepali, are you doing practically? Great, great, great. I hope it's working all three modules, correct? Main, product, as well as user. Nice. What happened? Others are not reverting. मैंने सबके नाम लिए. You guys are not doing practically. Not now. After the session, I'm talking. Yes, guys, done. रोहन क्या स्टेटस है? हुआ? Okay, share your screen. Let me check. आकांक्षा, आपका क्या स्टेटस है? हाँ, रोहन एक काम करो, लीज डॉट कंपोनेंट को ओपन करो. लीज के लिए एरर दे रहा है ना, तो लीज कंपोनेंट ओपन करो, टीएस उसका. हाँ, ऊपर जाओ, इंपोर्ट हटा दो उसका. हटा दो इंपोर्ट और फिर से इंपोर्ट करो. नीचे जा, अभी ओवर करो, इंपोर्ट हो जाएंगे वो. क्विक फिक्स करके है ना. क्विक फिक्स करो किसी के ऊपर भी. ऑल ऑल. याद रखना कभी भी ऑल सेलेक्ट करने का, तो एक साथ सब हो जाएंगे सेव. अभी दूसरा कौन सा एरर है? फॉर्म पे जाओ. ऊपर से इंपोर्ट हटा दो पहले. और करो किसी एक के ऊपर, ऑल पे जाना, क्विक फिक्स ऑल वन. हो गया. हो गया रिजॉल्व. रिफ्रेश करो. एक बार फाइल सेव नहीं है कोई तो राइट क्लिक ऑन एनी वन फाइल. कंट्रोल. नहीं, फाइल सेव नहीं है. एक काम करो, राइट क्लिक ऑन एनी फाइल, क्लोज ऑल. ना गो टू द ब्राउजर. डिटेल कंपोनेंट डॉट एचटीएमएल में जाओ. सेव करो. एक काम करो, रिस्टार्ट करो प्रोजेक्ट को. कुछ तो गड़बड़ होगा मे बी. हाँ, प्रोडक्ट मॉडल्स ओपन करना. नहीं एरर ही कोड में आओ। स्क्रॉल करो नीचे। डिस्काउंट, डिस्काउंट में जाओ, डिस्काउंट मॉडल का पाइप में। हाँ ओपन करो वही फाइल, फर्स्ट फाइल। ओके ओपन है, कोड दिखा उसका, स्क्रॉल अप करो। करेंसी वाला भी नहीं दे रहे। ऐप स्टार दिखा। आर यू फॉरगेट टू मूव इट? मूव किया ना उसको भी दिखाओ मुझे, प्रोडक्ट में क्या क्या ऐड किया आपने। नहीं नहीं वो नहीं, फोल्डर फोल्डर को दिखाना। स्क्रॉल अप, ड्रैग इट ऑल, सबको ड्रैग करो। प्रोडक्ट को ही ड्रैग किया, प्रोडक्ट को मत ड्रैग करना। पाइप्स बाहर ही रह गए देखो, पाइप्स बाहर रह गए। यस करो। हाँ नो नो नो, स्टिल एरर आर देयर, शो मी। डिलीट करो। रेटिंग, सिंस रेटिंग इज नॉट, स्क्रॉल अप। नो पाइप नेम करेंसी। कहाँ पे तो मिस्टेक थी, क्या मिस्टेक थी? कंट्रोल जे करना। स्क्रॉल करो नीचे। एक मिनट एक मिनट। ऐप नेवर पेज नोट टॉपिक यूजर। ओके यहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट डालो, लाइन नंबर 40 पे प्रोडक्ट लिखना। मेन मॉडल आपने लिखा नहीं, यहाँ पे मेन मॉडल इंपोर्ट नहीं किया। अभी प्रोडक्ट्स पे ऐड, ऐड प्रोडक्ट पे क्लिक करो। एडिट बटन पे क्लिक करो। आई होप इट्स वर्किंग प्रॉपर नाउ। F12 करके देखो। मेन इज नॉट, होम इज नॉट वर्किंग ना, बिकॉज यू आर नॉट इम्पोर्ट द मेन मॉडल। ओके इट्स वर्किंग। अबाउट अस, हाँ कॉन्टेक्ट अस इज नॉट वर्किंग बिकॉज यू आर नॉट इम्पोर्ट द मेन मॉडल। आकांक्षा आपका हो गया क्या, या एरर है? शो मी द मेन मॉडल। रूट्स आए, फॉर रूट आएगा या फॉर चाइल्ड आएगा? और कुछ मिस्टेक है यहाँ पे। ओके होम कंपोनेंट इज ट्वाइसली कॉन्फ़िगर्ड। स्क्रॉल अप करो, यहाँ से होम कंपोनेंट हटा दो ना। वो ऐप में जाओ, ऐप में, यहाँ से होम कंपोनेंट हटा दो, ऊपर जाओ। Save. Now go to the browser. Itself has error. कोड में आओ. मेन में कहीं ना कहीं गड़बड़ है. कॉन्टैक्ट अस, अबाउट अस अप करो. कंट्रोल जे करना. स्क्रॉल अप करो. स्क्रॉल अप. लाइन नंबर 29 इज सेइंग एरर. स्क्रॉल अप थोड़ा. Okay, he's saying that only. Show me the show me the components about us. Can you open a home component? Contact us. About us वो भी empty है. Close all the files. Save है क्या देखो. Close all files and open app model and main model. I think so now error is not there. Now check out. Control J करो. Go to the browser. About us, contact us working. Form, product. Home also working. Just check the home. Perfect. तो एक्चुअली क्या होता था, कभी कभी रिलोड होने में टाइम लग रहा है. तो अभी देखा मैंने कुछ चेंजेस किए नहीं, सिर्फ फाइल क्लोज करके अपडेट किया फॉर्म को तो वर्क करने लगा. आकांक्ष शेयर योर स्क्रीन. कुछ नहीं, जब हम लोग मूव करते हैं ना फाइल यहाँ से वहां, तो इंपोर्ट्स में इश्यूज होते हैं, तो इंपोर्ट्स वाला ही करना है. तो क्या करना है, एक एक ड्रैग, मैंने जैसे ग्रुप में ड्रैग किया ना वैसे मत करना. एक करो तो वो हमेशा अपडेट करने के लिए बोलता है इंपोर्ट्स को.
सर
आपका क्या
एरर
एरर है?
एरर आ रहा है सर.
कंसोल दिखाओ. आपका भी वही एरर आ रहा है, इंपोर्ट्स का ही एरर है. कैन यू ओपन अ प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म डॉट टी एस, प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म कंपोनेंट डॉट टी एस. दीपाली आपका तो वर्क कर रहा है ना प्रॉपरली सब. तो टॉप अप, स्क्रॉल अप. ये जो इंपोर्ट्स है ना सर्विस वगैरह वो हटा दो. लाइन नंबर 3 को भी हटा दो. अभी वो क्विक ओवर करके क्विक फिक्स इंपोर्ट ऑल करना. प्रोडक्ट पे ओवर करो.
सर कहाँ पे है? हेलो सर.
एक सेकेंड. हाँ. हेलो, आई एम ऑडिबल.
यस सर.
Okay. Can I see your console? Sorry. SRC. Refresh. Now open the detail component.ts. remove that imports of top. वो दोनों import हटा देना. लाइन नंबर 11 पे ओवर करो. क्विक फिक्स इंपोर्ट ऑल. सेव जाओ ब्राउजर पे. सेव करना.
हाँ ये सर सेव हो गया।
लीस्ट कंपाउंड में जाओ. अभी देखो एरर दे रहा है टॉप पे. आपको एरर के अकॉर्डिंग जाना है. लीस्ट हटा दो ये दोनों. लोकेशन चेंज हुआ ना, इसके लिए वो एरर दे रहा है. स्क्रॉल करो नीचे. सेव जा ब्राउजर पे.
प्रोडक्ट
अभी
मॉड्यूल
ऐप मॉडल में जाओ. स्क्रॉल डाउन. अच्छा कंसोल वाला नोड दिखा. वो रन कहाँ पे किया, कौन से पावर शेल में किया. नेविगेट करो ना कंसोल पे. हाँ फर्स्ट वन. एक काम करो, सारे फाइल्स को क्लोज करो. राइट क्लिक ऑन एनी फाइल एंड राइट क्लोज ऑल. प्रोडक्ट मॉडल डॉट टीएस को ओपन करो. नीचे प्रोडक्ट मॉडल डॉट टीएस नीचे है देखो. हाँ सेव करना, उसको कंट्रोल एस करना. जाओ ब्राउजर पे. कुछ नहीं, सेव करना था इसलिए सेव हो गया. वो सॉल्व हो गया इशू.
ओके सर।
ठीक है. I hope all are done. Those who are doing practically. So I think 3 students only are doing. 4 students are doing practically. Deepali, Rohan, Akanksha, and Aditya. So I hope you all are done. I think Akanksha, Deepali is also working proper. Correct. So guys, do you understand that how we can create a routing separate routing model? Yes, guys, give me the answer in chat fast. And the advantage of to creating the separate routing model is also clear to everyone. Give me the answer. Others. Now, as you all know about the Angular, I taught you in start the direct structure. When I explain the direct structure, basically why we should learn the Angular. What is the benefit of Angular? Angular is used to develop the which type of applications, guys? SP. If I'm saying that SPA, the SPA means what? Single page application. Can you tell me how many pages will be get loaded on the browser? One. And which one is that? App. Sure. Rowan, app. Which page? As you can see, every component having a HTML file. Yes or no? Each and every component having a HTML file. Absolutely correct, Akanksha. Which file is getting loaded on the browser first? Index.html. Yes or no, guys? I hope others are remember. and along with that main.ts also get loaded, correct? These are the two base file was getting loaded. For the static content HTML, for that to make that static page, to make the HTML page dynamic, which file will be get loaded? Main.ts, yes or no? But when we talk about the main.ts will be load which component, which module? Main.ts will be load which module? And app model will be load, yes, absolutely correct, app model. And app model will be load which components, which models? App model will be load the another models, na? Browser model, form model, reactive model, router model, user model. That is imported. I mean import, that means they will be load now. If I'll say that app model will be loaded, then other models will be that loaded. First root model will load. After that, all the child models get loaded over there, isn't it? So all imported models are getting loaded over there. Yes, everyone. But guys, can you see out of this list of models, like for example, app. So guys, can you see here? Here all the models are there. App, main model, user model, and product model, correct? But can you see there are some models are common. We have to import. What are the common model we have to import in each model? Out of this list of imported models, which are the common models we are importing in each model? Common. Okay. Can I say that we need a form model and reactive model in multiple models? If you want to create a reactive form, if you want to create a template one form, we need these two models. Yes or no? Yes, guys. Can you tell me? This both the models have been needed for creating the each model. If I'm creating the user form, I need this. If I'm creating product form, I need this. If I'm creating any another model, order form, I need this. Yes or no in order models? Yes or no, guys? So can I say that these two models are shared model in among multiple models? These are the shareable models. So what happened? Now there are two only, but might be chance in future we have the more than that also, which we need in multiple models. So guys, to import them all the multiple models in each model in every time, it's very complicated, na? Yes or no? To import them again and again and again, it's very difficult. So what I will do, I'll remove from everyone. I remove from here. I in main they are not there. Main not are there. From here also we remove, and my from users also I remove. Okay. Say. You can see again we got the error. Yes, guys. Again we got the error. Yes or no? So what I will do to resolve this, I I create one more model. What is the name of model? Yes, I created one more model. What is the name of that model? Sure. So this shared model contain the model. This shared model will export all the models which we need in a. So now this model will be export the model which we import in another model. So can you tell me which one is the model we have to import again and again? Can I say that these both models are needed in each and every model? Yes, guys. These both model we have to share in each and every model. So I what I did here, यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया, ये मुझे हर एक में चाहिए, तो मैंने यहाँ पे इनको क्या किया, I want this both model in each and every model. So here we export, here we export them. हमने उनको एक्सपोर्ट किया. तो शेयर मॉडल एक्सपोर्टिंग होम, शेयर मॉडल किस किस को एक्सपोर्ट कर रहा है? Yes, guys, give me the answer. Share model is export which model? Form and reactive. Correct. So whenever if anyone import the share model, he can got the access of both the models again. If anyone imports the share model, he can got the access of both the models na commonly. So we don't want to individual this model in everyone. We just import whom? हमें just किसको import करना पड़ेगा? Share को. So share can give the access of both of them. Let's see. I'll put in a products first. Can you see products error is gone? प्रोडक्ट का एरर चला गया. अभी एरर किस पे आ रहा है? प्रोडक्ट का एरर चला गया. अभी एरर कौन से पेज पे आ रहा है? Yes, guys, give me the answer. Errors are coming on which page? Login and register. That means we have to import in where? User model also, na? Now all errors are gone. Yes, guys, सारे errors गए. Yes, give me the answer in chat fast. So guys, can you try now? आप लोग ट्राई करो. एक नया मॉडल बनाओ शेयर नाम से और एक्सपोर्ट and export the form model and user model in that. And in other in I import in other in here also. If app is also need that na. So app can also import the share model. So export this to one and import the share model in each model. If you want in main, you can import in main as well. Now we don't want to import the form model and reactive model individually every time. Yes, 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 Rohan. Yes, guys, just do it and let me know once done. share the import share model only in each model. In each model, you have to import the share model product as well. Okay. Is it working, Akanksha, properly? Rohan, are you done? Deepali, what about you? Doing. Okay, okay. Do it. Deepali, once you're done, let me know. I hope it's working fine, Deepali. Great. Guys, are you understand the use of the last type of model, shared? It is also one type of model only, but the model is not doing anything. It's not contained any component. It's a completely empty model, but it export the model which we want to use in a multiple models of application. Correct? Yes or no? So before the share model, we have to write a two line of code in each file. Correct? Before this, before share model, we have to write how many line of code in each file? Two lines. And that two line of code will convert into how many lines? Yes, guys. Before the share model, we have to write two lines of in each file, but that two line of code will convert into how many lines? One line. Yes or no? So if there is some other another common which we want to import in any that, so if you have any common model which you want to import in every model, so are you import in each model or you export in share model? Yes. अगर कोई तीसरा मॉडल आता है जो आपको हर एक में चाहिए, तो आप उसको हर एक में इंपोर्ट करते बैठोगे या सिर्फ शेयर में एक्सपोर्ट कर दोगे? Yes, guys, give me the answer. Yes, we are exporting share model and shared will import in another model. Correct? I hope Rohan you understand. Brijesh, Kaushik, others also, Prajakta, Suraj. That is the advantage of this one कि आपको हर एक में इंपोर्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं, आप इंपोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट कर दो शेयर्ड के पास, शेयर्ड उसको सबके साथ शेयर कर लेगा. तो शेयरिंग करने का काम शेयर्ड का होता है. इसलिए जो तीन टाइप ऑफ मैंने बोला देयर आर थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ मॉडल्स. तो थर्ड टाइप ऑफ मॉडल इज क्लियर which don't have their own logic but is used to share purpose. So, so guys, can you tell me how many types of models in Angular? What are the three types? Root model, feature model, and shared model. I hope everyone clear about it. So now, when your app is loaded, when the app is loaded, app will be loaded what? User model and its component, main model and its component, and product model and its component, and shared model and its models. Yes or no? So it was a normal loading, guys. ये loading, it was a common loading. But now there is some special type of loading. It's called as a lazy loading. अभी lazy मतलब क्या? कि as per the need. For example, when your home page is getting loaded, so which model we needed priorly out of, we have the three models, correct? Main, main, product and user. Yes or no? We, how many models we have? Yes guys, these are the three models we have, na? We divide our entire project into these three models, yes or no? So if app model will be loaded, when your app model will be loaded, app model will be loaded how many components along with it? App model will be loaded how many components along with it? This four. So because of that we got navbar, correct? We got title, yes or no? And by default the path is home, that's why home components will get loaded, correct? So I know that main is very important component, it should be loaded, it should be loaded first, correct? Without anything. But can I tell but we need a user model, we need a product model. When, yes guys, when we need these two models, if I click on the products tab or if I click on the login register tab, then we need the respected models, yes or no? अगर मैं होम प्रोडक्ट्स पे क्लिक करता हूँ, ऐड प्रोडक्ट पे क्लिक करता हूँ, अब लॉगिन पे क्लिक करता हूँ या रजिस्टर पे क्लिक करता हूँ, लॉगिन पे रजिस्टर पे क्लिक करता हूँ, तो विच मॉडल वी नीड? इफ आई क्लिक ऑन लॉगिन एंड रजिस्टर, विच मॉडल वी नीड? User. If I click on the add products or products, which model we need? Product. So guys, unnecessary initially load होके कुछ मतलब है क्या? पहले से लोड होके रह रहे हैं वो, इज देयर एनी मीनिंग अननेसेसरी आपके ब्राउजर पे, अपने ब्राउजर पे लोड आएगा? यस और नो? I hope others also understand. There is no meaning if they are loaded earlier. They should be load late, na? As per the requirement. That means called as a lazy loading. That means called as a, उसी प्रोसेस को क्या बोलते हैं? If as per the requirement, if any model is getting loaded on the browser, then that type loading is called as what? Lazy loading model. So what exactly the lazy loading, guys? The lazy loading is used to load the, is the process of loading of model loading, the process of model loading of website as per the requirement. As per the requirement. Have you understand the definition of the lazy loading? Lazy मतलब पहले से नहीं होंगे, जब जरूरत है तब आएंगे. Like lazy person, like the lazy person is doing like that, the same thing will be done over here. So if we are needed, then it will be comes in picture and load into the browser. Otherwise, they are not loaded on the browser. And because of that, processing time will be get increased and your application will be work smoothly. Am I clear, everyone? What is mean by lazy loading? Others, reward in chat fast. You understand or not? Only 3 rewards are there out of 9. So to achieve lazy loading, to achieve lazy loading, we use a router path of module and built-in functions of JavaScript. Yes, guys, do you understand? We have to create a path for module and use the built-in functions of JavaScript. So JavaScript built-in functions, I'll taught you which one is that. But are you guys? Can you tell me? We have created the path. हमने अभी तक path बनाए थे. But we created path for whom? We have created the path for whom? Components only, na? Are you created any path for the models? No. So right now we are going to create a path for whom? Now I'll taught you to create a path for whom? Model. So first of all, I'll remove these two models from here. मैंने यहाँ से इनको हटा दिया. मेन को मैंने रखा फॉर द अंडरस्टैंडिंग, बट बाकी दोनों को हटा दिया. तो देखो होम अबाउट अस आर प्रॉपर्ली वर्किंग. Yes, guys, home about us and contact us are properly working because they are loaded normally, na? They are loaded by default when the app is loaded. But login is working, register is working, add product is working. No. So we have to load them lazily. So how we load them lazily? Here, I'll give the title lazy loading. So here I'm creating path colon. This was a path product. This was a product path. So can you tell me this path we use for load which model? Yes, guys. This path we use to load which model from user and product. ये path मैं किसके लिए यूज कर सकता हूँ? प्रोडक्ट मॉडल के लिए. कोलन लोड comma load child. Which child model we have to load over here? Which child model we have to load here? Product model, correct? Yes, guys. Which children should I load here? Product one, correct? So to before remove the import. Before load it, correct? Before load it, we have to import it, na? So first of all, we have to import it. So to import, we use the import function. एक मिनट हाँ. Is it not getting import? Dash, 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 expecting the first product model. So here we import the product model. Dot. Then after import, what should I do? Then import it. So m hyphen m dot product model. Error wise so far undefined. Hmm, syntax mistake हो रहा है. So here you can see, here we import load children. So first to import it, first we load import from the file of product models, and then we here we import it. Then we import the m dot product. See, after that we have to do some changes. What changes we have to do? So we have to first we have to write this line, and after that, mm, go to the product models first, product routing model. Now parent path we already write products over there. So now here product is not needed. So here we writing only the list. Here we writing only details because that product path we already write it in app product slash list. So here we don't want to write manually product slash add and all. So now root path is product over here for product model, and the child path is list, and both paths will configure together and load the list component. So I'm removing that all initial things. Yes, product model is working now properly. Yes, product model is working. We are not import it in app model. Are you importing app model? Yes guys, are you importing app model it? आपने import किया है क्या product model को? No. Still it is correct. Okay, Ron, no problem. Is it clear guys? I hope मेरा voice अभी clear है. So मैं ये बोल रहा था कि अभी आपको import करने की जरूरत नहीं. आपका मॉडल लोड होगा या import होगा dynamically when you click on the links. But as per the requirement, it will be loaded. That's why it is called. That's why it is called as what? Lazy loading. Is that clear, everyone? Why we call it a lazy loading to it? Without importing the, we can access the models and its component. Give me the reward in chat fast, guys. You understand or not? Okay, just do it. आप लोग try करो ये वाला concept. You have to do that something. What? First of all, remove that from the import array. First thing. After removing from the import array, then create this path. After creating this path, you have to remove the product value from product slash remove करना है आपको from each path, because now child path and root path will be different. Root path will be product and child path is will be the list, details, add, update. On browser they work together. Browser पे तो वो एक साथ ही work करेंगे. देखो, I'm clicking here, it's coming products, so root path is product and then list path product, add path root path is product, add path is, so this is a model path, this is a component path. So first it will load the product model and then it will load the component of that model. Just do it and let me know once done. Okay, Deepali, no problem. But after the session, just please do it. Okay, Akanksha और आदित्य, आपका हो जाए तो just let me know. After writing the path, you have to remove from paths root path from this product list, convert into list only. Product details ID convert into product ID details only. आकांक्षा, आर यू डन विद दिस पाथ? ये हो गया क्या आपका? एक तो यहाँ से रिमूव करना है और यहाँ पे ये पाथ ऐड करना है. आफ्टर दैट रिमूव दिस वन. ओके, इट्स वर्किंग आल्सो. ये पाथ रिमूव करके ट्राई करो, इट्स वर्किंग और नॉट, एंड लेट मी नो. All done things. All things are done. Okay, share your screen. Let me check. Okay. Show me the code. Browser. Click on the product. It's working, na? Are you did for the users also? Just show me the.
No, sir. Login and register are not working.
Okay, show me the code. User routing दिखाओ मुझे.
User module.
हाँ. हाँ, because we are not did that for ना, हमने उसके लिए तो किया नहीं अभी तक. उसके लिए हम
Oh,
लोग अभी
yes.
करेंगे. हाँ, मैं बताता हूँ कैसे करना है. Same thing we
Okay.
have to do. Just stop your screen. Share. I'll share it
Okay.
now.
Okay.
Now we will do the same thing for the users also. So what we can do, first of all, we have to import it, na? Because we are done for product module only. Now we have to do for the user module also. So again, I'm creating one more path. Path user, comma, load children. Import function we have to use. And in that we have to import the model first. User dash user model dot. Then m dot user model. My both models are getting loaded here. I'll put the comma. So common path and I'll load it here. Both models are loaded here. Save. After loading both models, now I have to do creating the path. After that, I'll remove that user path from the user models one. तो मैं अभी user को open करता हूँ पहले. And from user model files, I remove this path. User, user. Just log in and register. Because the root path will be separated now. My login and register is also working. Yes or no? My register and login is also working. So guys, are you need to import the product model and आपको product model और user model को import करना पड़ा क्या? Are you need to import the product model user model? No. Why? Because we are loaded them lazily, correct? Yes or no? So just try this and let me know once done. First create a path and then remove this one. Once you are done, let me know. Aditya is working. I hope all are understand about it. So this is all about the model programming, loading, routing, loading कैसे करना है. Is it clear everyone? Yes, give me the answer in chat fast, everyone. You understand? So guys, do all this thing in your project as well, which you guys created on your own. Which we give in assignments. So anyone, any query on it, please ask. Otherwise, we are wind up for the day. We will meet tomorrow in the next with the next topic. So in tomorrow session, I'll talk about the जो topic मैंने skip किया था, observable. Okay, so that topic I'll start in tomorrow session. Okay, so with this note, we are wind upping here. If you have any query, you guys can ask. Otherwise, you guys can be left for the day. Thank you. Okay, Dhanashree.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello, sir. I am audible.
Yes.
सर ते माझ्या ना असाइनमेंट पेंडिंग आहे. मला थोडा टाइम भेटेल का त्यासाठी?
ऍक्च्युली मी काहीच नाही केलंय. मॅनेजमेंट कडनं झालेलं आहे ते, की
अच्छा.
20 पर्यंत सबमिट करायचे आहेत म्हणून. नाही तर 0
ओके.
होणार. कारण की माझ्याकडे काहीच ऍक्सेस नाही त्याचा. तो
ओके.
तुला जर काही एक्सक्यूज असतील तर तू एकदा यांच्याशी बोलून घे.
ओके.
शीतल.
ओके. ठीक आहे, ठीक आहे. ते लास्ट 2 वीक झालं माझा लॅपटॉप सर्व्हिस सेंटरलाच होता हार्डवेअर इश्यूमुळं. तर मी प्रॅक्टिकल पण करायचं, थोडा टाइम पाहिजे होता मला.
नाही, मला काहीच इश्यू नव्हता कारण की माझ्या हातातच नाही ना ते. कारण की त्याचं ते ऑनलाईन केस डेव्हलप आयटी टीम कडनं झालेला आहे तो फीचर. आणि
ओके.
त्यांनी तो फीचर टाकला की एक्सपायर झालं डेट की नंतर तो हे होणार करून,
ओके.
ब्लॉक
ओके.
होणार. तो एकदा बघ बोलून शीतल मॅडमशी काय होत आहे का सोल्युशन.
ओके. ओके. ठीक आहे. चालेल. थँक्यू.